Christmas stuffing recipe, traditional Ecuadorian style. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast, 1 pork tenderloin, 300 grams of breadcrumbs, 250 grams of peeled walnuts, 250 grams of raisins, 250 grams of prunes, 240 grams of pitted green olives, 1 bottle of red wine, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 medium white onion, pearl onion, water as needed, 1½ green bell peppers. Preparation: 1. Cook the chicken. In a pot, boil the chicken with all the ingredients listed above for about 30 minutes. Strain the broth and set it aside. Shred the chicken and reserve. 2. Cook the pork. In a separate pot, boil the pork with its ingredients for about 40 minutes. Strain the broth and set it aside. Shred the pork and reserve. 3. Peel the walnuts. Boil 500 milliliters of water and pour it over the walnuts in a bowl. Let them sit for 5 minutes, then remove them. Using a small knife, peel off as much of the skin as possible. It's slightly bitter, so this step helps. Don't worry if some skin remains. 4. Prepare the base. In a large pan, sauté the chopped white onion, garlic, and bell pepper in butter with a bit of salt and olive oil. Once the onion turns translucent, add the shredded chicken and pork. Cook for about 10 minutes. Add 1 cup of the reserve broth, the prunes, and raisins. Continue cooking for another 15 minutes so the fruit releases its sweetness. 5. Add breadcrumbs and flavor. Soak the breadcrumbs in 1½ cups of the reserve broth. Add them to the pan along with half a bottle of red wine and the brown sugar. Stir well and continue cooking. The mixture should be moist but not dry. 6. Simmer slowly. Cook for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add more wine or broth if the mixture starts to dry out. 7. Finish with olives and nuts. Add the sliced olives and chopped walnuts. Cook for another 15 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. 8. Final texture. The stuffing should be well combined, soft but not runny, sweet but not overly so.